Oh, I don't know what I'm mad for, bruh. Calm down. This fucking bastard sitting in my fucking room pissing me off, bro. Calm down. Just calm down. Let me calm down. Let me calm down before I do take out my hair on somebody, right? Alright. Alright. I'm looking to trade more of EU instead of GU because GU looking like it's bullshitting. EU is giving us more. I mean, it's giving me more clear price action. So I'm looking to trade. Gee, this got disrespected. Got completely mold. Yeah, this right over here got completely mold. So I won't have a setup for GU. Only if the market with the bottom. I'm gonna start off our analysis paralysis. Okay, so let's see for our kilo and everything. So for our kilo for EU would be just got purged, right? I got purged, so this right here is our key level. How is that our key level? Very logical and very easy. The reason that is our key level because bullish bearish, boom, spreads out liquidity, then you never gonna retest it. This right here could be our key level, could be the fair value gap as well, but I'm gonna go with that. So what about GU? What is our key level? Where is our key level for? Looks like we're being bearish today. For our bearish key level, bullet right here, project liquidity, bullish bearish, project liquidity right over here, right? But what happened? Market scooped all the way above it and it pushed out that liquidity. So that cannot be our thing because that auto block got purged. That auto block got scooped, right? We don't want that. We want an auto block that did not get scooped, right? So for GU, other than that, what else do we have? We have this right over here, this rejection block. We have that rejection block right over there. How come is that how come is that one of our PDR rates? Because the rejection block, right? You can see bullish bearish and rejection block really usually requires a bullish bearish scenario. So yeah, right there. But in GU we have already been in the, you see what, we're already in a range, while EU we're not. So I'm looking to lean more in EU. The EU looks much clearer than this. You can see the price is kind of worse here. We're bearish, so we want to be trading something that's weaker, and this looks like to be a much weaker pair. But we're gonna see. We're gonna find out best out of our ratio and everything else. So there's high, there's the low. So I want to see which one gets purged out first, then decide best out of the purge. Now, so do we have our key level? For this we do. We have an auto block. How come is that an auto block? Purge of liquidity. Okay, cumulative, then it might push down. This retest, so it should be a good move back. Right, let's block out the 50% of this. Got 50% right there. And now for you as well. GU, I mean. What is it? Okay, we got the 50% mark as well. That to me looks like to be my rejection block, man. Rejection block or that. So yeah. If GU goes down to the downside, this right here could be used as a rejection block. But I want to see how rejection block looks because I barely use rejection block, so let's find out.
If you're a smart trader, pay attention to bearish rejection. Predict exactly when any sharp. Predict exactly when video a rejection block. But in case you want, here it is. A rejection block is simply the wick of the highest candle. It doesn't matter if the wick of the candle is red or it works the same. Now you take this wick and you drag it over. Many times come up to the area of the rejection block and get rejected. Now you can take trades on the rejection block here, but this is you're gonna trade rejection block next and our so I would stick to that it is. And just video a rejection block. In case you want to know what here it is. A rejection block is the wick.
This kilo, when it's surpassing it, I still don't care. So it has to go all over here for it to get disrespected, and we have a lot of time.
Area and get rejected. Now you action. Now this is I don't know what here it is. You reject the high head. Now you take and you drag it over. Times price area and get rejected. And take trades rejection block here. This is you're gonna trade rejection block next and our like this video action. Now this is here it is. A rejection block is the wick, nice candle, matter.
Okay, so looking for a swing high, which is basically CRT. One of the CRT, what getting stabbed into? CRT high. CRT high, CRT low. The accumulation of the CRT getting stabbed into, so right over here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, market eventually pump back up. But we're overall looking for what? Back to the downside, because we still have not reached it, so we might get another chance to go back to the downside. And we are overall in a huge range. You can see we're in a bigger range. I literally totally forgot about this huge ass range. So yeah. So yeah, this should give us more like confidence into it pretty much. So I'm looking for another turtle soup, then push back down. Go for here, but I'm just gonna go for this. But we are already in a bigger range. So this is a rejection block because it's a swing point. This is RT accumulation, middle pressure distribution, and that's what is creates a swing point. But I told it soup this might be a move down here. Boom. So we're looking to use this, not that. Let's go to the hourly time frame. 8 a.m. candle. The 8 a.m. candle is this right over here. So for GEU, for GU, I'm looking for a 15-minute model 1, not a 5-minute. You can see the high at the end of the 5 a.m. COT. The high is what? The high is the 6 a.m. candle. So I'm not going to be looking for a 1 minute. I'm not gonna look for a 1 minute. I'm not gonna look for a 5-minute. I'm looking for 15-minute model 1. Once he purchases out. But for EU, looks like we're looking for a 5-minute. Okay, so let's mark it out for EU as well. So we got a 50% mark right over here. Got the high and low right there, boom. All we're gonna simply do is just go to the 50-minute time frame, hourly time frame, mark out the hourly low. Because I don't know, just like it like this. And in GU, we're not we were in this range, but this range looks like I get disrespected, so we're looking to use this range only. And this range, you can see accumulation, manipulation, market close inside of the range back. Market tried to go below this, failed, right? So market now went back up, started playing around a lot. Eventually, probably gonna make his move again back to the downside over here. Because we're in a bigger range right now. What range are we in right now? We're in this huge range right over here. How come over here in this range? This range never got broken out of. We're still in this range because Total Soup goes below here. So we're looking to go for this right over here. If I'm going for a GU, I mean. And for bullish TRT for this would be what would be our confluence would be soup. Okay, so for our bullish confluence, for our bullish key level, if we're going for longs, it would be this auto block. How come would it be this auto block with this? You see, soup goes above auto block. So yeah, I'm looking to use this as a bullishness. So that's why I'm not gonna mark out the thing for it. But they both are giving us 2 bearish buys, which is great. So now the high, okay, that's a range high over there. Okay, that's a high. I'm looking for a straight move down. So let's see if I can get a push up, soup it out, and sell above the opening price. Open, high, low, close, open, low, high, close.
Any real. It's easy to go. It's important. It's at the heart of the issue. Yeah, the media likes to go. It's not. It's where many of the people we've talked to here like to go. It's not get into politics. They've into everything right now. Saying in any tragedy.
How to start trading with $100.
Guys.
I'm just waiting. So the 8 a.m. candle, right over here, 8 a.m. Thursday, 31, October 24th. 8 a.m. candle aligns with the high of the 5 a.m. CRT. We're looking to use a 5-minute for EU and looking for a 15-minute for GU. Why we're looking for a 15-minute for GU? Why are we looking for a 5-minute in GU? Simply because of what? 5 a.m. candle right here. We're in this range and a bigger range right over here, but we're gonna be using this. So why am I using this? Because it's like key time of a CRT. And why are we looking to use shit, what to say? Why are we looking to use the 15-minute? I mean, why are we looking to look for a 15-minute model one instead of a 5-minute on GU? Simply because of the high of the CRT high. It's not the same as this, right? This CRT high is an 8 a.m. candle. This is CRT high is a 5 a.m., 6 a.m. candle, right? You see it over here, 9 a.m. See, like the 8 a.m. candle is all down here. It was a bar.
So there's
John Cena, John Cena, Johnny. And I just had a quick thought, right? I was like, well, why would the market go back up over here when the market would assume this right here, right? But you gotta keep this in mind, right? There was no session at 6 a.m. It was a lunch for London. So this right here, I was trading that, man. So looking for another soup, another one. Give me another one, not another one. Okay, how is she looking like? Can't understand these hoes, man. What the fuck, man? Can't understand these hoes. Huzz. You crashing now, bro. You good? You good, mate? You good? I need one of the tomato soup or because that I won't know if that's SMT. If they both do it, then how the fuck would I know that's SMT? I decided to double it. I know the most crazy shit I said yet. If I get an SMT here, I'm looking for 15-minute tay. Chat, log in. Just looking at Twitter, bro. Scrolling to Twitter.
think you're an idiot. Okay? It's stupid. These people, things should not. Jade, I love somebody who is born in a soul. I mean, you think you're an idiot. Okay? It's stupid. These people, things should not. Jade, I love somebody who so
Children. Yes.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting. If the shorty low gets hit, we're gonna look for a trade as well. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Barakallah. Okay. This is the 8 a.m. candle. Okay, this is the 8 a.m. candle aligned with the 5 a.m. 4-hour CRT high. So I'm looking to use a 5-minute. Just get into the 5-minute. So I could be looking for a Model 1 entry straight away. How can I be looking for a Model 1 entry right away? Very, very simple. Now let's go to the 15-minute time frame just to see if there's any type of any type of SMT displaying here. We got a Model 1 right over here, but we're already in. This right over here, we already have a high, so we could look for a short. I don't care about this high getting stabbed. I care about this one. Why do I care about this one? Bullish, bearish, bullish candle and a bearish candle. There's a CRT high, so I'm looking to use. At the CRT end of the CRT, there's a bullish candle, so there's a legitimate high. So I can look for a Model 1 straight away for shorting. And for this, I'm looking for oops, I heard it. So I'm looking for a Model 1 to enter the trade on this. I'm looking for, we already have this. Let's see if this is SMT or not. So this could be a failure swing, and this could be a swing. In the 4 hour time frame, it could be like this, right? And while this one could be different, right? But it all depends. Let me see if GU would spank that bit, you know what I mean? This created a failure swing while this one did it, so let's see. I don't know why he does this, but yeah. I'm gonna have to see, and I'm not sure. Right, because we're already in the Model 1 right now. So yeah, I want to see if I'm sure or not. But this one will look to be green, so yeah. I'm just gonna execute right when I get my entry. But this one, how much are we going for? Add up couple ticks. Okay, so for this one, I don't want to be getting manipulated out of this, so let's see. How much are we going for? TB1 is going to be this right over here because this 50% mark already got touched. I mean, it didn't get touched, but it's just empty, so we didn't care about this. 1.5, 2 RR. Okay, so let's just say we're going for this. We're going for a 1.5. You cannot take a 1.5, only 2 RR and above. So let's see about this. 2.34, okay. What about this? Let's just say I'm entering somewhere around here. Just above the... So I'm trying to trade the one that did... I'm trying to trade the one that is a SMT, right? The one that creates a failure swing. Bullish. But this looks to be much stronger than this pair. This might just, you know, spike down. So how much are we going for this? TP1 is a almost 1 RR. TP2 is... We're going for a 2 point... Okay. I'm leaning more towards this because they both are offering a 2 RR. I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not trying to lose trade, but this looks much better. But I'm looking for a confirmation that actually does not want to go and swoop out the other high of the range. It just wants to go down lower. And this one in the range, but I would like to mark out this one because, you know, we're having a total swoop on this one and not that one. And yeah, final take profit would be this range low all the down here. So I want to see some extra confirmation here. Let's see if GU swoops out the high because I'm looking for a 15-minute Model 1 instead of a 5-minute. And how is this a Model 1? Right? How come is that a Model 1? You got a bullish candle, bearish candle, market swoops out the bullish candle, the high, drops down, closes below, taps it a couple of times, reaction out of it, goes back into it, reaction right back out of it again. So if I see a candle closure below, giving me a affirmation, then I'm looking for a tap back into it, sell above the opening price of the next 15-minute candle, then boom, close. Because I do not know if this is gonna be SMT or not, right? Because I'm not certain that it might be a SMT, right? So you can see how this is pushing up while this is kind of holding it. So I want to be sure that says SMT. Because you can see bullish. This one did not support that high. Well, this one, we're in this other range. We're in this beautiful other range, but I'm gonna use this range because we're having this SMT rather than the other one, right? I'm not going for the 50%. I'm going for this TP1 and TP2. We're going this for TP1, TP2. I do want to see because we're in the 4-hour time frame. We're in this range right over here. This 1 a.m. range. This got souped out at 6 a.m. and this 5 a.m. candle is getting purged. Well, this one is not getting purged, but this one is. So I want to see that confirmation. Anybody have our key level? So we're green. I'm going for this range that did not get souped out. They just did a again. What is that shit called? But I'm looking to sell above that next opening price. This does look like, yeah, I'm going for a GU. I'm more in GU rather than EU. It's giving us the failure swing, so I'm just gonna go what it gives me, right? So yeah. What's a pip stop loss? 16 point. Stop loss is at what? 16.3. So this gives me a closing price, and I'm gonna sell above the next opening price. I'm not gonna be selling above here, but if this does not give me a setup and goes above, I'm not looking to do that. But because I gotta be certain that he's actually SMT, because here's a 4-hour time frame, right? But it does look like to be a true one. So okay, got the risk management right. Okay. Now I'm just waiting for the next candle to open and sell above the next opening price. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna try to lose trade because I'm not certain on this, but we're gonna have to take action and find out later on. Just gonna have to, find out. Well, this is giving us a stronger bias because this gives us a higher swing. While this gave it a low swing, you can see right over here, 8 a.m., 9 a.m. candle. Give us failure swing while this one swooped it out, but it's not the same time, by the way. This is the right at 9 o'clock. Well, this is what this. But yeah, we're gonna have to find out later on. I'm just gonna have to see. But if I do see a candle closure below that, and I'm looking to sell somewhere above the opening price, would be in the 1 minute time frame, which I'm looking to sell above the opening price. Or could it be? But it has to be inside this zone, right? I could be selling above somewhere over here on this technical side of it. So it did close below it. I'm looking to sell above the opening price. Let me get my money ready. Yeah, we're going to have to find out on this if this trade is going to pan out or not, because we're here. Let's see. We've got a closure below, but I definitely do want to see it tap into this, and I want to go to a lower time frame and get more info onto this. Okay, so lower time frame. Let's see what's happening here. Let's see what we got. I could be selling right over here, so opening above the opening price would be there. Let's see how the market does it, because I'm trying to sell above the opening price, but the opening price has to touch the 15-minute order block one more time. Then I'm looking to sell above the opening price, which could be this right over here. This could be this other model one right over here. How could this be another model one? Souped it out, closure below. So yeah, we could just sell up on that candle, but I want to see it explode up and touch that, because it looks like to be SMT here. And we're looking to trade the weaker pair. This must look to be the much weaker pair, while that one is souping out the high, while this one isn't. Sell stop is couple ticks above the thing. Entry is at 98. Yep, couple ticks above it. So that's nice. They're both are giving us a good setup, but it all depends on the opening price. So I'm just gonna go bits out of this right over here. Right, but I do want to see it touch my model one more time for me to get that entry to the downside, or else we just go in a lot. You just go in a way where the market might not do it for us. It does look like to be SMT here. So what I'm gonna do is take action, you know what I mean? So let's see. On this is gonna be different, but I'm trying to lean on this. So let's see if we can get an explosive move right back up. I'm trying to trade the one that has a failed swing. Well, if this one goes above below here, it's a 1-to-1 RR. I cannot take a 1-to-1 RR, only 2 and above. Yeah, this is just gonna rally. Yeah, this looks to be much weaker pair, so I'm looking to trade this. This is offering us more less than 1 RR. I was trying to look for a tap into this, but market is telling me otherwise. Okay. Yikes. Okay, this is very nice though. Hey, I'm getting better at this, right? This is all I care about. But if we do see a closure back above and get a tap into that, I'm looking to short. But yeah, this is it. This is not going to be panning out as I expected. Because I'm leaning more onto GU. Because GU is much weaker pair, because here GU is rallying down while EU is not. And I gotta stick to what I have in my rules. Yeah. So we gotta open, high, low, and close. Yeah, this low is gonna low, motherfucker. Yeah, but I'm not looking to trade GU. EU just rally down. We have an SMT with the 5 a.m. candle right over here, right? 5 a.m. 4 hours here at T, right? 5 a.m. right over here. 5 a.m. as well. So I'm not going to mark out this one. I'm going to mark out this one. Why? Because the 5 a.m. CRT is not doing it with this candle, right? So yeah, because the time matters. The time of the SMT does matter. So TP1 would be here, TP2 would be here. Why would TP2 be here? Because we're in a bigger range, in a higher time frame, in the same time frame but bigger range right over here. So TP2 would definitely be here. Yeah, this is not gonna reverse back up all the way just to get us in. But I had to wait for a confirmation, right? So we're still above here. Almost zero drawdown, which is ooh, fantastic. God. No drawdown is crazy. This is what I like though, for real. TP smash. I'm done for the day. Okay, so 2 trades we have been missing. The last trade we learned SMT. Which what happened today? We learned from the SMT, and SMT performed today. Fantastic. So we followed what we said, okay. And the last one with key level, we did not have a missing key level. Got the key level right? And we traded the weaker pair, which is what? GU. Look at GU, look at GU and look at EU. Look at EU, how slow is moving down. Look at the RR trade on this. So you can see how GU is just pushing down a lot, giving us more RR compared to what? EU giving us a 1-to-1 RR, which we don't aim for. We only go for 2 or above. Easy day. Yep, you souped it out. I'm done for the day. I don't count this as souping. I just count this as a TP, but this is like counted as right when it gets souped out. I'm done for the day. But I do want to see this go hit TP about 1 candle. It's crazy. So I like though, for real.
Should you train for failure? Well, highest quality, inexperienced subject actually found no failure. And he said, "You suppose I failure." Extreme. Failure. All the way. Failure on Bulgarians.
Damn. That's some clean price action right there, man. I told you. Finally today, no trade taken, but neither did I take action, so shouldn't be happy or not. I mean, not happy, but my way of thinking today was correct. No mistake taken. But yeah, I had to wait for this candle to close in order for me to decide if this one would be a SMT or not. And unfortunately, market wouldn't go above. This is my market recap of 10/31/2024 market recap. Unfortunately, no trades taken. We did have a setup. I was waiting for an open, high, low close. And what happened right over here? I was leading more in GU rather than EU because of the RR. This offered less than 1 RR. Offered less than 2 RR. while GU offered us 2.83 RR, and we had a failure swing in EU and GU. So let's go top down analysis on our trade that we did not take. I did not take. I was waiting for a candle closure. I was waiting for open low high close. So I was waiting for the market to go above this opening price because we're selling right above the opening price. Touch our key level. They short down, right? But it never touched our key level. So yeah. But overall, it did deliver as our expected. We could have sorted somewhere over here. Like, oh, well, it did SMT, but I had to wait for the candle closure for me to decide, like, is it actually going to be SMT or not? So I was just waiting for the 15-minute time frame to close. This 15-minute candle right over here to close and decide our SMT. If it would have just closed below and not super no highs, this high especially, I would have shorted, right, instantly. But you can see right over here, instantly no drawdown, market just pumped down. And in EU, just look at the RR on this. I know nobody gonna trade this shit. Okay, the RR on this is horrible. 1.3 RR, and it never hit our fucking order. Right, it never hit our execution order. I would have not even taken that shit. I don't take nothing less than 2 RR. You can see how our weaker pair is this. You see that's swimming down while this is just going slowly, right? You can see this is very a good thing. Well, how come it is a good thing? Because today my mindset was right, my thinking was right, but that's gotta stop using my phone next time. Next time I won't be using my phone, inshallah. But everything was correct. You can see right over here. I look at the right pair. My mindset of thinking about it right was right. My SMT was right. So right when the candle closed the 15-minute time frame, I was looking to close about the opening price of the next candle with 15-minute time frame to go short. Look at this shit. You can see right over here. Barely tagged it. I was like, ah, damn, can you just go tap it? Then boom, short it down. Regardless, it's a good trade to take. And if you go to the 4-hour time frame, if you're wondering, well, you probably marked out your SMT wrong. How come? Why did you mark out this SMT? Why did you mark out this SMT and not this? Because aren't we in this huge range? No, because the time of this CRT is what? 1 a.m. This is the 5 a.m. and this is the 1 a.m. and this is the 5 a.m. and this is it is the 9 a.m. right? So that's why. So it was between the 9 a.m. It was between the 5 a.m. the 9 a.m. CRT candle of the 4-hour time frame doing an SMT. One of them SMT'd it. One of them purged it while the other one didn't. So I was looking for the one that did not purge it, did a failure swing, because that is a weaker pair. That means there's smart money in the market and it wants to push price back down. And overall in the higher time frame where we are in, we're in a bigger time frame. I'm not bigger time frame. We're in a bigger range or overall. So we're just looking for it to execute below this. So we could have not execute over here, right? So we're looking for another CRT of the 5 a.m. candle to execute to the downside. Overall, go for the CRT of the 5 a.m. and this. Why do we go for this and this? The simple reason to that is because we should have been already in from here, but it was past our trading time. But so we just get a re-entry, right? Way of getting into the market from here. So looking for another CRT within a higher time frame CRT, then go for the higher time frame take profit, which should be right over here. But yeah, right with TP1 secure take profit, break even, and yeah, you see panned out, open low high close as well, which is a great thing, right? Market opened, close, opened, went high. I was looking to short, then close. Eventually, never hit my model 1. Boom. So usually when I do my open, high, low, close is open, go high, tap a key level, then close. So our key level would be what? This model 1. Then yeah, then go low, then close, right? And you can see low, close. And yeah, this is a very nice trade that I did not even take, but still learn something from this. I implemented what I learned for the past 2 days, which trading the weaker pair and a weaker bias, trading the stronger pair and a bullish bias, looking for a 15-minute model 1 instead of a 5-minute model 1. So from our last trade that we missed, we had a S&T, and yeah, and with that, look for, and with the, what else do we learn from this trade that we not even learned? It was a free of cost, which is great, right? You know, because right when we get in a market, we're risking something, right, to make something. So today the lesson was free of cost, and we followed our master follow, but you just gotta improve on staying away from our phone and dialectically just focus on the market. But you can see how right over here how EU just pushing back up while GU is still down. So that's how you know. So we compare SMT, and for SMT I usually like to always wait for the candle closure on whatever time frame I'm looking for, right? So there's a 4 a.m. there's a 4-hour time frame SMT. I would not wait for the 4-hour time frame to close. I would wait for the 15-minute time frame to close, right? Not the 4-hour. So if this candle presses right over here, I'll just look on this candle. I'll just look at whatever candle does this right over here. I'll look for it. Okay, this in the 5-minute time frame, you press it out on EU, but GU, let's see if this 15-minute time frame can close, and you know, if this 15-minute time frame closes and doesn't purge it out, I'm looking to short. But market really never, you know, pushes down and closes right when it pushes down. You never really, you know, tap into a key level and push more down. But yeah, that right there. So what was I looking for? 15-minute model 1 4-hour CRT. There's a 4-hour SMT. So looking for a 15-minute SMT. This is really complicated, but if you let it sink in, you will get it, right? And as well, I'm saying this because I usually like to repeat my videos. I usually like to watch my videos, right? So, and with this, actually, like immaculate trade, really nice trade. I don't care about me not taking a trade. It's just that I implemented what I learned and put it to the market, which is the nice thing. So I learned something from today. Happy with it. But yeah, market never tapped into my key level to execute. And one more time, while they're waiting for the candle to close, because on this time frame, the 5 minutes swooped it out on this. Since I'm looking for since it's a 4-hour time frame SMT, I'm looking for a 15-minute to execute on a 15-minute time frame. So right over here, 15-minute time frame auto block, never tapped it, push down, and probably another how can I call this? Other brokers, they probably tapped it, but I don't care about the other brokers. I care about the broker I'm trading with, forex.com. And yeah, thank you for watching. Credit chat. Credit. 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 That's right here is a clean price action. I would like to see my take profit get hit in 15-minute time. In 15 minutes. But yeah. I'm gonna keep this chart like this just simply because so I could look back into it more than once rather than just deleting the chart. Very crucial, nice trade. Yeah, I might. Hey, I gotta adjust it for today. Open, low, high, close. I'm gonna go and learn about that actually. Open, low, high, close. Because I feel like that's actually a good thing. Trauma. Not me. Trauma. Peace out, chat. This looks like gonna hit TP as well. I'm just gonna wait for this boy to hit TP. Hit TP. Hit TP. Hit TP. Let's see if my mentor took it. Yeah, I'm actually gonna make a market recap for TikTok. Motherfucker didn't even do the open, high, low, close. Just push down. Yeah, this has a bigger objective, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck is your objective, bro? What is your objective? What is your objective? What are you even doing? What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Oh, that had a bigger objective. The bigger objective was this right here, but I don't give a fuck about that. I give a fuck about that. I'm gonna fuck about that. Over low, high, low, close, suck my D, suck my weed. Up and low, high, low, close. Suck my hose. Alright, chat. I'm out. Hit TP as well. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow after NFP. No. Alright, take this trade. This week we have only had wins. I mean, I didn't even take a trade. Pretty did. Did I? No. I have not took a trade yet. It was on Friday. But this week, Monday was no trade. Tuesday was a trade. Dub. Right? But I didn't take it. Because I was just, hey, I got a lesson out of it. So the W, anyways. Even the trade I win. I didn't trade out. I didn't take. Still journal that, man. Okay, then catch you next time, okay? Today, trade. But I might go more advanced into my SMT. But I have to wait for the candle to close, right? So, yeah, how could I do on this SMT? Okay. Because I don't want to be getting stopped out of the SMT, right? How could have I? Okay. Let me think. How could have I entered this trade without letting the candle close? That's some deep thinking right there. That's some deep thinking right there. That is some deep thinking. Let me think more. How could have I entered this trade before the candle closure, waiting for the confirmation? So I advanced, right? Just tapped it at what? At 9:30. 9:30 gets 30. 9:30, okay. How would have I known that it would not go up there and soup out this high as well? The CRT as well. But we gotta wait for this confirmation. It says, for this one I was looking for a 5-minute because we had the hourly, but this one did not have hourly with the 4 hours, so looking for 15-minute. We were already in a 15-minute model one. So execute out of this bad boy. Okay, I think we had an SMT here. Okay. But yeah, fucking good trade. I'm not gonna lie. It's alright. I just gotta, let me think right now rather than waiting later and thinking because I might get lazy. So let me think right now. How could we have entered this trade? Because if I get a candle closer, because that's the way I know that this might go down, or it might get respected, is because of SMT, right? SMT, right? Obviously, right? But the way I would know that this would be a true SMT and one would not soup it out is waiting for the candle to close on a 50 time frame. Since when it's SMT, one candle is going to be a 15-minute, one candle is going to be a 5-minute, right? And this candle as well, a 5-minute. It was 15-minute, right? We're looking for a 5-minute because the hourly time frame matches with the 15-minute, right? So looking for the 5-minute. Well, this one we're looking for a what? 15-minute. We already had our key level right over here, man. So waiting for the 15-minute time to close, and waiting for this one. We're just waiting for the. Just not even looking for the trade. This one. We're just waiting for this boy to just close down. Okay, immaculate. Yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching, chat. I'm not gonna change my SMT rule at all. Like enter early on it. I'm gonna have to wait for the counter to close. Just get tapped back into it.